The question is to find out the optimum expenditure. The question goes like this: the monthly income of a consumer is $4,000 to be spent on either good X or Y, having the price of good X is $2, price of good Y is $4. The marginal utility of good X is 3 upon X and marginal utility of good Y is 9 upon Y. We have to find out the optimum expenditure on good X. Okay. So what we are being given? We are being given the total income or monthly income of the consumer is $4,000. Price of good X is equal to 2. Price of good Y is equal to 4. Okay. And also we are being given marginal utility of X is being given as 3 upon X, and marginal utility of good Y is being given as is 9 upon Y. Okay. We need to find out the optimum expenditure on X. So how do we find? First we need to find out the first order condition for optimization. Okay, first order condition for optimization requires that marginal rate of substitution between good X and Y should be equal to the ratio of the prices, that is price of X upon price of Y. MRS is simply marginal utility of good X upon marginal utility of good Y. It should be equal to price of X upon price of good Y. Okay. Also we need to construct the budget constraint. What will be the budget constraint? Simply that will be X into price of X plus Y into price of good Y should be equal to the total income, and price of X is being given 2, so we can write 2X plus price of Y is 4, we can write 4Y should be equal to $4,000. Okay, so I forgot to write it first, in the first place. Now marginal utility of X is being given as is 3 upon X divided by marginal utility of Y is being given as is 9 upon Y should be equal to price of X upon price of Y. Price of X is 2, price of Y is 4, which implies I can write it in this fashion: 3 upon X. If I transpose it to the numerator, it will get multiplied and reciprocated. Y upon 9 should be equal to 1 upon 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So I will get here Y upon 3X is equal to 1 upon 2, which gives us Y will be equal to, so 2Y is equal to 3X, which gives us Y will be equal to 3X upon 2. Now we need to plug the value of Y into the budget constraint to get the value of X, optimum value of X. Okay, so you simply plug the Y is equal to this into the budget constraint. So we have 2X plus 4 in place of Y we have, okay, so in place of Y we have 3 upon 2. I hope I am making the calculation right. Should be equal to 4,000. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, so this is 2 threes are 6, 7 is 8X, so 8X should be equal to 4,000. Okay, which gives us, we have 3 upon 2. Okay, I hope I am we have 2Y is equal to 3X, so 2Y is equal to 3X, Y is equal to 3 upon 2, so that's clear here. So 8X upon 8X is equal to 4,000, which gives us X will be equal to 4,000 divided by 8. So we have X will be equal to 8 ones are 8 fives are, so we got X is equal to 500. That optimum units of good X will be 500. Now expenditure on good X will be simply equal to, so let me write it here, expenditure on X will be equal to simply price of X times optimum units of X. Okay, let us write it as X star. So X star, price of X is being given as is 2 times optimum units of X is 500, so which gives us is 1000 is the optimum expenditure on good X. So the correct option should be D part.